Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by clarifying what you want and why. Be specific: coffee, walk, or a show. Once decided, pick a low-pressure moment when she seems relaxed. Avoid interrupting. Make a short opener ready, a genuine comment, then a direct invite. This reduces nerves and shows confidence. Practice once or twice so your tone is natural, not rehearsed. Remember, intent plus timing plus a concise invite makes the first step work, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. You deliver the invite by starting with a sincere observation that connects to your plan, then transition. Would you like to grab coffee on Saturday? Say the when and where so it's easy to respond. Keep your voice steady and friendly. Pause to let her answer. If she hesitates, offer one alternative time or let her suggest something. Make sure to listen closely. Her body language and tone tell you whether to proceed, clarify, or step back respectfully. You complete the process by confirming the plan a day before with a short, polite message to reduce no-shows. On the date, arrive on time and focus on being engaged, ask questions, share, and avoid heavy topics. If things go well, suggest a clear next step before you part. If she says no or it doesn't click, respond politely. Thank her, accept it, and reflect on one improvement for next time. That troubleshooting step preserves respect and keeps you learning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.